For this video, we are checking out HIBREW's G3 coffee grinder. Now, I love making coffee in the morning, and there is nothing better than using freshly ground coffee beans. And this here gives you the precision and consistency with some really cool features. It uses a 40mm stainless steel burr, which is designed to minimize the heat while grinding. And that's gonna help preserve the essential oils in the coffee bean, giving you a better flavor extraction and a more consistent cup, whether you are brewing your espresso, drip, or your pour over coffee. What's nice is a 7.4 ounce bean hopper with 31 levels of grind adjustment. You can go from ultra fine for espresso to a very coarse grind for pour over. And it is really easy to dial in for whatever style coffee you're making. Now all the grounds are collected into this 3.5 ounce grind chamber that has a easily removable top. Plus it has a double layer silicone air blower, so after you're done grinding, you can just press it to clear out any leftover grounds, which also helps to prevent any clogs and makes cleanup a lot easier. Now using it is super simple. There are 3 buttons on the front. You have a 1 cup grind and a 2 cup grind button that are fully adjustable, so if you like a little more or a little less coffee grounds in your portafilter, you can dial that in to however you want it. And then you do have a manual start and stop button right in the middle. So if you're looking for a coffee bean grinder that delivers that fresh cafe-style coffee right in your own home, this HIBREW G3 coffee grinder is a great choice. Thanks for watching.